The Canon EOS 2000D or the Rebel T7 is one of the famous entry-level DSLR in the market. So, if it's still worth today in 2024, let's find out. For under 500 US dollar, you depends on your market, you will get the 24 megapixel APS-C Full HD 1080p with built-in Wi-Fi in this camera, which is the Canon EOS 2000D or the Rebel T7. So the question is still worth buying this camera in 2024? So guys, before we dive into the question, which is this totally good to buy in 2024 or worth to buy in 2024? That we know that there's a lot of mirrorless camera now in the market, but again, it's under 500 US dollar. Do you think this is still worth to buy in 2024? So before we answer that question, let's make a test with this camera for photo and video. So let's go. Pare, don't move please. But the white balance, I need to check. White balance. I'll pass the face detection now. Oh, may continue shot. Single shot. Okay. Kamalikot siya. Luma tong camera ko. Kawawa na nga yung pungkot siya. Likot mo pa. Pare. That's very slow. Pwede na sir. Oh. So guys, the main purpose of this camera DSLR in 2024 is for amateur photographers. So if you want to take happy moments of your family and friends, and if you want to take some cool photos with for landscape or street and for everyday use, and if you want to learn a photography for your first camera, like if you want to start from smartphone, and if you want to upgrade your smartphone to a DSLR or digital camera, I think this is a worth to buy because again, it's still 24 megapixel APS-C, and yan, you can still find an EF lenses in the market. So for the price of under 500 US dollar, I think this is you can get a good, or if you can get a good deal. For example, here in AAB World, we have our AAB World Marketplace. You can take used camera that actually some of that is slightly used camera. So you can find in our AAB World Marketplace with a good price. For example, this 2000D, it's in our AAB Marketplace. So check that one, guys. So again, for the purpose of for the beginners, amateur photographers, if you want beginners camera to take a good photos, then I think this is a good enough, guys, for the price of under 500 US dollar brand new. But depends again on the local market. Again, if you get find more cheaper, then why not? I think is still a good camera to buy. So again, guys, if you want to level up your smartphone photography into a DSLR or digital photography, try to take this camera from Canon DSLR camera. If you want to check all our DSLR camera, you can go to our AAB World Marketplace. We have tons of DSLR cameras available now in AAB World Marketplace. Or if you want a mirrorless, if you have a budget, we have also entry level. We have also entry level mirrorless camera from Sony, Canon, or Fuji, Nikon. Yes, which is available here in AB World. So if you want to check the price and availability for all these products, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So I think that's it for today's vlog. Thank you and mabuhay.